Now looking at formal charges. So formal charges are very helpful because they will help you identify if the structure is the most stable, because sometimes there are different ways to draw different structures. So overall, what formal charges are, they're the charges on an individual element within the compound. And there is a specific formula to find our formal charges. Our formal charge formula, it goes as follows. It's the typical valence electrons for that element subtracted by the sum of the bonding electrons plus each individual lone pair, or each individual electron. So we'll go over how to do that. And then overall, all of our formal charges will add up to the overall charge of the compound. Let's start off with just something that is neutral, so a neutral compound. So in this case, if we're looking at something that's neutral, note that all of the elements will have a formal charge of 0. Preferably, our central atoms